Well, it looks like tomorrow is going to be summer's last stand. It's going to be 82 degrees, and then it's going to get a lot cooler and stay cooler. So I will be starting up the air conditioners on video one more time, and probably taking them out of the windows soon. So I don't think we're going to be needing them anymore this year. So you'll see that in this video. Also going to be turning off the dehumidifier pretty soon. It's just not as humid anymore. That's reading 49% humidity, which is the lowest it's been all year, really. So that'll get a break. It's been working just fine. Haven't had any problems with this thing yet, so that's good. That is the Waycar 25-pint dehumidifier with the reciprocating compressor and R134A refrigerant. Let's give this 10,500 BTU Sharp final start for this year. Let's start up the 8,000 BTU Fetters next. Can't reach it, hang on. Alright, up next, 8,500 BTU Sharp. Probably the last video of these before they're taken out of the window for the season. This is the 5,000 BTU higher, the Quingan compressor. It ended up getting pretty nice and warm outside today. That's the outdoor temperature. Feels pretty warm in here to me, so I'm going to turn the Emerson Quiet Cool on. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to start up this Hampton Bay until next year, probably. Well, I'll be able to start it up after I get a new switch knob for it, which I already ordered. But basically, the switch is really stiff on this thing, and it keeps breaking the knobs. So the first one broke, and I got a second one that broke a few days ago. So I don't think the one for the thermostat fits on there properly, and even if it did, I don't want to risk putting it on there and having that break too. So won't be able to have this in this video, but yeah, this thing still runs just fine. And we'll start up this 8500 BTU Sharp. Here's the temperature inside and out, according to this one. 70 in here and then 82 outside. Runs great though. And I'm going to start this Soleus Air 14,000 BTU air conditioner up. So on heat mode we'll go to cool and low. Give that a chance to run before it gets cold outside. Here's the 5200 BTU at Westinghouse. Here's the 5450 BTU Kenmore. Apparently there was some debris in it, just blew something out. I'm thinking I might want to use this one in the living room next year downstairs, just to see how it does. And it's a very energy efficient unit, so that'd be nice to try that out. And there's the Climatrol and the 8100 BTU GE. Climatrol is an 8000 BTU. I don't remember if I mentioned it in the first part of this video or not, but temperatures are going to plummet after this warm stretch that we're having right now. So let's turn on the Climatrol first. Still running nice and smooth. And next I'll start up that 8100 BTU GE. I'm probably going to let that thing run up here, just because I haven't really gotten much use out of it this summer. I've honestly run this one more. And here we go with the GE. Very quiet compressor on this one. I'll go ahead and turn the wet Westinghouse off. I also turned off that 5450 BTU Kenmore, just because it doesn't need to be running right now. The fan is a little on the loud side on this one, but it has a very pleasant sound to it, in my opinion. And this would be a great sleep air conditioner for white noise. Here's how this one sounds after running for a while. And here's the last unit that's in the window right now. 6050 BTU GE. I'm going to start it up right now. Probably not going to let it run too long, but I am going to turn it on again tonight when I go to bed, because this is in the bedroom. So, turn it on. I'm probably going to be taking the air conditioners all out next week, and I don't know when that knob that I ordered is going to be here, so yeah. I'll make a video of me fixing this thing, fixing the switch on it, and of course I'll make a video of me taking all the air conditioners out because somebody requested that.